Regular pasta's boring. You know what isn't boring? Strawberry pasta. Today we'll show you how to take some normal everyday strawberries and turn them into a delicious healthy dessert that's sure to impress the eyes and the senses. To kick things off, you're going to need about 5 or 6 nicely sized strawberries. Go ahead and remove the tops, and then carefully cut the strawberries into smaller pieces. You're basically going to slice and dice until you have 3/4 of a cup of strawberries. Just measure it as you go along. Next, dump your strawberries right into your eagerly awaiting blender. Add 1/3 of a cup of water to the blender as well as a single tablespoon of sugar. By the way, you'll find the entire recipe in the description below. The final ingredient is Agar-Agar. It's actually a vegetarian substitute for gelatin that you can get on the Asian food aisle at most grocery stores. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of it directly to the blender. After you cover the top, you can press that magic button. Liquefy the mixture until it looks smooth and all the clumps are removed. If everything's looking good, go ahead and pour the whole thing into a pot and set the heat to medium. Make sure you're constantly stirring until the concoction begins to boil. As soon as that happens, quickly remove it from the heat and grab a container to pour it all into. You don't need anything huge or special, we just used a simple glass. For the next part, you're going to need a flavor injector or food syringe. These can be picked up for just a few bucks and they're awesome to have around your kitchen. Go ahead and submerge the syringe into your container and fill up the chamber with strawberry goodness. You'll also need some vinyl tubing in order to form the pasta noodles. Attach the tubing over the injector's nozzle and carefully fill it with the strawberry mixture. We're going to be using 6 feet of tubing as it gives a nice portion for a single serving. Most hardware stores sell this stuff for 10 cents a foot, so it's definitely not going to break the bank. Once you've got it all filled, submerge the entire tube into some icy water for about 5 minutes. If you want, you can also just place it in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Once time's up, remove it all from the ice bath and reconnect it to the fully extended flavor injector. You only want air in the chamber, so make sure it's empty and clean. This next part can be a little tricky and might take a couple tries to master. Slowly push down on the plunger to force the noodle directly out of the tube. You can move the end around in circles until a nice little pile of strawberry pasta begins to form. Now this pasta is delicious as is, but if serving it for guests, we recommend dressing things up a bit with a little fresh cream, some extra fruit on the side, and if you got it, a sprig of mint goes a long way. That's really all there is to it. Your perfect pink puree is turned into a picture-perfect palatable pasta paradise. Stick a fork in it and enjoy. If you want to see more quick kitchen creations like this, let us know in the comments or hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.